What's good, everybody? It's your man BG Tech Life, and this is the TCL 10 Pro. Again, shout out to TCL for sponsoring this review of this device. Now, so far, I already got into what I felt about the build and things of that nature. Things you can tell in the beginning from when you first pick up a phone and look at the phone. But we got to dive deeper, guys. We got to dive into this device a little bit. I've been using it a little while, and I got some feelings about this device that I need to, let you guys know. Now, I'm going to take this on a kind of a long review period, guys. I'm not just going to take this device and just review it and then that's it. I'm actually using this device and I'm going to keep you guys updated. So this is an update, guys, basically on what's going on with this device. Now, you can call it an update review. So you can look at the device and tell something has changed from the beginning. When I first cut this device on, the interface that TCL had chose to work with Android, it was a little cartoonish to me. It was a little bit too much. So as you can see now, I'm rocking Nova Launcher with the Google Companion type deal, so I can get my Google on the device, kind of like a Pixel phone or whatever. I needed that, and I needed, just the customization of Nova Launcher for me to do a little bit more and let the phone look how I wanted to look. I didn't really like the interface that came originally on this device, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. I really wasn't feeling it, but I like how this device this AMOLED display looks. This is a nice 1080p AMOLED display on this device. This display is a device, is a display for the price point that they at. $500. If I got spending $500 on a device, I could not be mad at the screen. This screen looks really good. Very good. You already know, guys, I like the build, I like the display. So that's two things I liked about it. Really wasn't feeling the launcher, so I had to go ahead and put the Nova Launcher on it, and it just made me feel much more at home with the device. I'm not gonna lie to you. Secondly, we got to get into this. This is one of the most functional devices out there. One of the most functional devices out there. This is a button where you can press it once, press it twice, or I'm gonna say double press. When I say press it twice, press it once, press it twice. Or I'm gonna say press it once. See, now you guys got me confused. Press it once, double press, or long press. So you can take three. You can have it set up for different actions and different apps. Now, guys, when I say that, and also y'all just seeing that the face recognition on here is pretty solid too. For a $500 device, and display fingerprint scan has got better, and the facial recognition is solid and gets your device open. Now, what I would say is that this is one of the most functional devices based on this button alone. I don't know why the manufacturers haven't jumped on a button like this. I cannot tell you why. I don't know. They should have jumped on it. This makes this device very functional, and just, I just really like this button, having this button. I like this button a lot. I hated the Bixby button, but this iteration of a button that you can just program for whatever, I'm in love with it. I'm not gonna lie to you. And, go ahead, hit the, okay, boom, we back open. So what my first thing I wanted to do with this button is the second most valuable thing about this phone to me. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like, one of the most valuable things that make this phone just like up there. Like, I'm telling you, phones are about what you want out of them, and I wanted this software, this hardware on a device since they stopped doing it back in the day a couple years ago. Boom. The IR remote. This phone having the IR blaster, man, and this button, that's crazy. And coupled with a headphone jack. That is dope right there. Now, this is niche stuff that I'm gonna shout out TCL on this. This is niche stuff that will make somebody say, you know what? I got $450. I'm not gonna go buy S10. I'm gonna buy the TCL Pro. You know what I mean? I'm not even gonna lie to you. The features like that will make somebody want to buy this device over other devices. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Like, this is a very functional device, even to the cameras. Now, the cameras, guys, excuse the fingerprints on the device. The cameras, I would like to do a more in-depth video just on cameras alone. I want to do a vlog style type video with just cameras alone. But what I'm gonna say to you about the cameras is, you got every camera in the book. You got a super wide, a macro, you got a regular camera. You just got all types. You got 4 different cameras on this device. So you cannot, guys, this is one of those devices where you got a whole bag of tricks. This device is a whole bag of tricks. It's got a lot to offer. For $450 brand new out the box. Just the fact that you can get all these different cameras, your macro, your wide angle, you really 4 cameras and then a front facing camera and 2 flashes. That's a lot. That is heavy, guys. That is very heavy on a device like this. Very dope that they have that many cameras and just that many types of cameras. Now, I'm not saying that the cameras are the best, because at $500 you're not gonna get, or $450 you're not gonna get iPhone cameras and video cameras and things of that nature. I'm sure at some point they had to choose what they put into the phone and how much money they spent on what they put into the phone. But yeah, guys, I mean, it's just, this is one of those things. So far I've been really liking the device. I didn't like the UI, I got rid of it. I didn't like the interface at all, so I put the Nova launcher on here. They got the Edge screen on here, and this is one thing that I would like to tell TCL. The Edge screen. TCL, please listen up. At the end of this review period, I'm gonna make a video letter to TCL. What I would like y'all to do, guys, is I have this I like to use my Edge apps on my Samsung device, but guys, let me make this Edge, this tab right here, let me make it 100% clear, transparent, because that's how I have it set up on my Samsung device. I don't like to see it all the time. I'm not one, I don't have to see it. I just like to make these Edge tabs really big and clear. I know where to swipe my finger at. I like to use Edge apps, but I don't like to have this on the screen 24/7. So let's do something about making that transparent, guys. But all in all, I've been having a good time with this device. At $450, I feel like it's a nice price point, but we got further to go. Shout out to TCL, it's your man BG. I'm out. Peace.